students, welcome to Crackit CSE, and in the previous video we have observed how the addition and subtraction operation works on unsigned data, and in this particular video we'll be understanding that how this multiplication operation works on unsigned data. So if you want to check out the other playlist, I'm having playlist available for linear algebra, algorithm, database along with this particular subject, computer organization. So you can watch all these, and if you want to connect with me on my social handles, the links are given in the description. And in case if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get an update whenever I'm uploading any new video. So now let's start with the multiplication operation. So whenever we are multiplying, we generally multiply n bit with the other n bit, and the output will be given in 2n bits. Now let me explain you that if I'm having n bits and I'm multiplying this with another n bit, so this will be n bit register and this will also be the n bit register. So the output will be 2n bits, that means n and this n. So n bit will be stored here and rest of the n bits will be stored here. So here we are completely utilizing the another register that we are using. That's why we are not saying it as a flag. We are not considering flip-flop. So that's why I written here that register pairs can be used, right? So I hope you got an idea about that. Now let's say that these are the two values that I have to multiply together in the binary form. So this is just same as the decimal multiplication. So this one will be multiplied with all these, it will give you this one. Similarly, this one will be multiplied with all this, will give you this one. Similarly for the third one, and similarly for the third one. Now the problem comes in the addition. So this is 1, this can I can directly write it as 1. This is 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 is 1 0, so this 0 will be here and this 1 will be carry. So I am writing this carry here, right? Now add these 1 plus 1 2 3 4. So 4 can be written as 1 0 0, that means this 0 will be here, and this is 1 0, that means this can be written as 2 if I consider it as a separate binary value. Now the carry will be 2 for the next bit. Now this 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 can be written as 1 1 0. So this 0 will be here and this 1 1 is 3, that means this 3 will be carried to the next bit. Now this 3 plus 3 is 6, so again 0 will be here and this 3 will be here. Now this 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is 1 0 1, so this 1 will be here and this 1 0 is 2, so 2 will be carried here. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 can be written as 1 1. So this is how you can perform the multiplication operation, right? Now on the basis of this multiplication operation, this is very important question. So these kind of question can come in your semester exam or in any competitive exam. So always practice these kind of questions if you are getting it somewhere, right? So in question, this expression was given that consider the following multiplication, and this all equation is given, and they are asking for the values of w, y and z. This w, this y and this z. So first of all, what we need to do is you have to make sure that the base of each and every value is same. Here the base is 10, that means first of all you need to convert this 15 base 10 into the binary value. So what it will be? It will be 1 1 1 1 to change it to the base 2. Now you have to perform the multiplication. So this is 1 0 w 1 z, and you have to multiply it with 1 1 1 1, right? So what it will be? Z 1 w 0 1. Similarly for this one it will be 1 0 w 1 z 1 0 w 1 z 1 0 w 1 z, right? Now we have to add. Let me write down this solution as well. So this is given as y 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now see, here I am having z, so see this z should be here, and here the first bit is 1, here this is z, that means we can say that z is equals to 1. So instead of z I will be writing 1 at this z place, right? So just let me write 1 at the z place. So this will help you in further computation. Now so this z is also 1. Now this 1 and 1 is 2. 2 means 0 will be here and 1 will be carry here. Now here we came with the w. So this 1 plus w plus 1 plus 1, I am talking about this particular column, right? So this should be equals to 0. The unit digit has to be 0. When this unit digit will come 0, if so this should be 0 at the unit place. If w is equals to 0, let me consider that this w is 0, then this 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. That means 3 can be written as 1 1. So the unit digit is 1. So this is not possible. And if w is equals to 1, it will be 4. And 4 can be written as 1 0 0. That means at unit place 0 is there. So what will be the value of w? W will be equals to 1. Now I am replacing these w with ones, right? So this w is replaced with 1. Similarly this w is also replaced with 1. So these are all ones, right? So now this 1 1 1 1 is 4. 4 means 0, and this 1 0 will be carry. That means 2 will be carry here. Now this 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 can be written as 1 0 1. So this 1 will be here, and this 1 0, that means 2 will be carry here. Now here 2 1 1 1, so this will be 5 ones again. So again 1 will be here and 2 will be here. Now this 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 means 0 and 1 0, that means 2 will be carry here. Now this 2 plus 1 is 3. That means 1 will be here, 1 will be here, and this 1 plus 1 will be 2. That means 1 0. Now you can compare this one with this one. Everything is exactly same except this. So that means the y is equals to 1. So this is how you can find the value of the variables given in the multiplication expressions. I hope you got an idea how the multiplication is going on, right? So if you found this particular video useful, like this video and share it with your friends who are preparing for exams like GATE, NET, NEET or any other PSU exam. And if you are not subscribed till now, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for your time. And in case any one of you want to get connect with me on my social accounts like Facebook group, Facebook page, Instagram, GradeUp, the links are given in the description. And for the other playlists that I am having, the link are also given in the description. So thank you very much for your time. Keep supporting, keep learning. Have a great day.